Welcome. I'm Betty Hurley Dasgupta, and I am going to be introducing you to Mahara. As you see, this is the first tutorial of a series of tutorials. They have been created for a workshop I'll be providing in April for a workshop, a Sloan C workshop on Mahara for STEM learning. But no matter whether you're in that workshop or not, you're welcome to go through this tutorial with me. So I'm starting off actually at the dashboard. Depending on which Mahara community you belong to, your page may look a little bit different. This is a Mahara instance that is through Eastern Carolina University, thanks to Chen Lee of Eastern Carolina, who is also part of the HP Catalyst group, of which I'm also a member. And that group is facilitated, our group is facilitated by Sloan C. So there is a tie between the Catalyst group and Sloan C. Depending on which Mahara community you belong to, this initial page will look different. But this middle part is fairly standard, although there are some that don't have it in it. So I will first introduce you to some aspects of this page. Note first the URL. So those of you who are using the ECU site, it's mahara.ecu.edu. And you should have gotten a username and password. If not, you can send me an email and I will get one to you. There are three major aspects to Mahara, which is one thing that makes Mahara very powerful, but also makes it so you need to give it a little bit more time to learn it. It has an opportunity to upload content, so you can upload files into Mahara. You can create multiple journals, and then you can publish those journals in a variety of ways. You can create a resume. And you also have a profile in Mahara, and you can do updates to your profile, including adding photos. The main thing you do with that content then is publish it, and publish it in different ways depending on how you wish your work to be seen. And each of those publications is called a page. You can actually think of a page as really what a single instance of a website would look like. So that's where your publication is, and some people would call this actually the e-portfolio part. A powerful aspect of Mahara is the social networking. So everyone has a profile page, and you can easily find friends, connect with people through their profile pages. You can join groups. You can also create groups. You can have discussions within those groups. And you can control who sees what of your publications, and whether they can, how they can interact with them. So that's a lot. This is just an intro, as you can see why there's going to be future tutorials about different aspects of Mahara. Also in Mahara, it will tell you what some of your latest pages were that you were working on. Any recent activity, so if you've gotten messages from people, and maybe topics you're following, and also pages you've created. As you see, I've got a fair number of pages. In addition, it will tell you who has been on the system in the last 10 minutes. You have your name here. We'll go over settings in the next tutorial. It'll tell you what mail you have, and this is one place to log out. You can also search for users. So if you think someone else is in the system, you can search for them there. This is a link to your profile page. Now note that the dashboard is only seen by you. So this is really your space, but it's your jumping off space. When I go to the profile page, that is what other people can see. So if we move to the profile page, you can see that I've put some information in here. A little bit about me, and in a later tutorial, I'll be telling you how to get this information into your profile. You can see that I've shared some videos and resources and how these are links, so it's very easy to share links. I could have also put a video in here. I could have put photos in here or even an album. What is here are a section of one of my journals. And so this is in your profile. It's a nice place where if you have a particular journal that you want to share, you can do that. And note that my friends are down here, and beneath my friends is a wall, which is similar to the wall on Facebook. So you see that there are some similarities to Facebook and the social networking aspect of Mahara. An important thing to note from the top is that in terms of navigation, that you can move to any of the other sections from your profile and from other parts of Mahara. If you want to get to your dashboard, you can also just click on Mahara, or you can just log out from here. So either way. And I am going to log out because this is the end of our introduction.